A devastating tropical storm has hit parts of Taiwan and southeast China. The typhoon created giant waves reaching 8 meters tall, forcing some villages to be evacuated. Strong winds caused blackouts in many areas. Parks and railways have shut, and a number of roads closed because of heavy landslides. The Taiwan Agricultural Department has issued more than 300 slide warnings. The Category 5 storm has already torn through the Philippines, destroying homes and villages, forcing coastal residents to be evacuated. With winds of up to 127 miles per hour, this is one of the strongest typhoons to hit the Western Pacific this year and is set to move further across China towards Hong Kong.